Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Shein app freeze problem. So if you also want to fix Shein app freeze problem, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there might be several reasons because of which you might be facing this problem. The first reason might be because your application is not updated. So if you want to update your application, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Shein. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the application for Shein over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and after that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of this application. For that, simply open the app library of your device. Now what you have to do is find the application for Shein. Once you find it, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of Shein. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for storage and cache. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of this application will be cleared and your freezing problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is go back. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find the option for battery. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the battery usage interface. Make sure optimize is selected. If it is not selected, simply tap on that option. After that, optimize option will be selected. After that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, you can go ahead and uninstall this application. Simply tap on the uninstall option that you can see right over here on your screen. After uninstalling this application, install this application again and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try restarting your device. For that, simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the restart option. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Shein app freeze problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.